Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert PDF in Google Sheet cells. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, open any browser on your computer and go on Google Drive. Just click on this new button here and upload your PDF file over here. So as you can see, it's uploading, and when it's uploaded, you can locate your PDF file by clicking on this. Click on these three dots here and click on this share and click on this copy link here. After copying the link, just go to your Google Sheet, just right click with your mouse on the cell, scroll down and click on this insert link. Over here you can paste your link, and here you can write the title. Here I am going for this PDF link, and here paste your link and click on apply, and then you are good to go. And now as you can see, our link has been inserted in this Google Sheet cell. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to insert PDF in Google Sheet cell. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.